If you're looking for one charging station to keep your iPhone, your AirPods, and your Apple Watch all charged at the same time, then check out the Anker Prime 3-in-1 charging station. This supports the fast Qi 2 25-watt speeds for keeping the phone charged, and it has 5 watts of power for both the AirPods and the Apple Watch. And unlike any other charging station, the Prime 3-in-1 has a display on the front of it to give you real-time stats and the wattage that's currently going to all your different devices. You can also set this up for the fastest possible speeds, or you can set it up if you want it to charge a little bit slower overnight, and you can always disable the screen as well. There's lots of customization available with this charger through the Anker app. So before we go any further, I do want to give a huge shout out to Anker for sending me this stand to review. They've got no input in this content, and we're just going to talk about my thoughts on this after using it for a while. When I first got this out of the box, I was really impressed with just how hefty and high quality this feels compared to some of the other charging stands on the market. They definitely went for the premium build quality on this. The iPhone part is actually able to be tilted, and this gives you more tilt adjustment than any other charging stand I've reviewed as well. There's also a fan built into the back of the iPhone part, and what this allows you to do is to hold that 25-watt speed for longer. On the front of it, there's the display, and it's a little confusing at first because it actually has this touch strip that turns the display on, and you can also double tap it and go into night mode if you want it to run slower and to shut the display off, which is a nice little feature that they added. You can also swipe on it, so we shut off the sleep mode, and then you can also go see the current temperature of this. This actually has temperature monitoring in it, so if the temperature spikes on it, it's gonna bring the power down as well. You can also get into this, adjust the settings, like you can change the modes either on this or through the app as well. So right now I've got it in the standard mode, the boost mode, where it's gonna use the most power possible. Night mode's gonna be slower and shut the display off, or you can use it in the cool mode where it's gonna keep the temperature from spiking as quickly. Also, there's other settings, like you can activate a screensaver, and you set that up through the app if you want this to also function as a clock, which is pretty cool. In the box, you get the charging stand, and you also get a 65-watt USB-C adapter, and it also includes one of Anker's nice new braided cables. The biggest drawback to this cable, though, is I think it should have been a little bit longer. This is a 2-meter cable, and they probably should have gone with a longer one. You can pick either getting this in the black stone finish that I've got, or also the shell white, and this definitely has the premium feel, which it should at this price. Let's talk more about the charging specs on this. iPhone charging goes all the way up to 25 watts max on the iPhone 16 and 17 series, and that's the fastest wireless charging you can get in a charger right now. If you've got a 15, 14, 13, or 12, you're just gonna top out at the 15-watt charging speeds on those. This also reserves 5 watts of charging for the Apple Watch Series 7 and above, and it's made for watch certified, so it's gonna give you the fastest possible speeds the Apple Watch can handle. The AirPods pad also gives you 5 watts of power, which is the fastest those can be charged at. There are some things you need to remember with this. The iPhone 16e is not supported with a MagSafe charger, so if you got an iPhone 16e, don't buy this. Also, the iPhone Air is gonna top out at 20 watts, not 25 watts. And the 25 watts of power is really reserved for the iPhone 16 or 17 series. One other thing to know about the display on this, if you want to use the clock, you will have to connect it to your phone one time to set the time up on it. And then once your phone's disconnected, it stays. But if you disconnect the whole charger, then you have to reconnect it to the Bluetooth app in order for the clock to reset. One of the main draws to this charger is just how fast it's able to actually charge an iPhone 17 Pro, up to 50%. For me, it took anywhere from 30 to 35 minutes to get from that below 50 to 50 mark on it, which is way faster than the older Qi 2 chargers. So if you really need to have the fastest charging speeds, plugging them with a cable, of course, it's still gonna be faster, but for wireless, this is as fast as it's gonna be. The Apple Watch charger is fixed, and I find this angle does a great job at showing you the nightstand mode on it, and the AirPods to me did a great job at holding. I do wish it had a little bit more of a divot to hold the AirPods in, like some of the other chargers though. On this charger, the ring for the AirPods is pretty minimal, but it still works just fine. Also, on the iPhone charger, you can easily adjust the tilt of it, and it's also very easy to just spin the iPhone if you want to put it into the always on display mode where it shows the clock for you, and I think this looks pretty nice. One of the things I appreciate about the tilt is this makes this a great option if you want to use it for FaceTime, or if you need to use it for other video calls while you're at work too. And this stand just has such a great appearance to it, really hefty feel with premium build quality, which it absolutely needs to have at this expensive price on it. The Anker Prime 3-in-1 charging stand currently goes for $230. I've seen it as low as $150, which is a much better buy, because $230 for a stand like this is honestly a pretty tough sell. Really, the main reason you buy this is if you appreciate the screen on it, the extra stats that you're able to get, and if you really want to have that 25-watt fast charging speed with your iPhone. You can shut the fan off with the cool mode or with the night mode on it. For me, I didn't really find the fan noise to be noticeable on this unless I put my ear right up to it. Anker says it's just 19 decibels of volume. It's probably a little bit louder than that, but I still didn't notice it unless I actually was really actively listening for it. It's just way quieter than even most background noise in rooms. I would say this is for you if you've got one of those phones that supports the 25 watts of charging speed, or if you just got the Apple trifecta and you want a stand that looks really nice, because this is able to charge all three of these devices as fast as possible. Also, if you appreciate seeing the wattage and stats, there's nothing else like this that has all the wireless charging with the screen on it. It's also going to be a great option for you if you charge overnight and you want to protect the battery health of your phone with the sleep and the ice modes that don't use as much power. Another thing that's cool about the app is you can actually get on this and set up a schedule where this uses the ice mode or the sleep mode. So you can set it to go between 9 and 7 in the morning if you want to have it at the slower speeds during those times. I would say if you got an older iPhone or you don't care about the display, Anker has a couple of other great options that are going to be cheaper and still get you the 15 watts of charging speed, which will be plenty for overnight charging. Anker also recently launched their folding 3-in-1 charging station, and this is cool because when you fold it up, it's actually just a little bit bigger than AirPods case, which makes this a really great option for travel. This one also has a fan on it, supports the 25 watts of Qi 2 charging speed on the iPhone charger. Still has 5 watts for both the Apple Watch and the AirPods. This is going to be a better option for you if you're on the go a lot because you can actually travel with this, unlike the stand that doesn't fold up and is considerably heavier. I really like this one too. There's just no app and no display on it, so those are two of the best features with the Prime 3-in-1 stand that are missing from the Prime 3-in-1 folding charger. So overall, the Anker Prime 3-in-1 charging stand is a great product, very premium build quality. Love the ability to adjust the angle of the iPhone. The display on this is great. The app works well. It definitely comes in at a pretty penny. If you're interested in checking this out, I have links to buy in the description below, and if you got any questions about it, leave a comment. I'd love to hear them. Like this video, subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on any upcoming content.